We are asked to find the angle n in the diagram below. First, before we proceed, we must take note of two facts. One, the diagram is a quadrilateral and the sum of angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Number two fact is that our angle n is located at a point and the sum of angles at a point is also equal to 360 degrees. Having these facts at the back of our mind, we proceed to find n by working in terms of x, then solve for n. So summing up the total angles within our quadrilateral and equating it to 360 degrees, we have 2x plus x plus 7x minus 10 plus 2x plus 10 equal 360 degrees. Sum of angles of a quadrilateral: 2x plus x plus 7x minus 10 plus 2x plus 10 gives us 12x. Hence, we have 12x equal to 360 degrees. We divide both sides of our equation by 12, so we end up having x equal to 30. Now back to n. We have n plus bracket open 7x minus 10 bracket close degree equal 360 degrees. Angles at the point: n equal 360 degrees minus bracket open 7x minus 10 bracket close degree. We multiply our bracket by minus and end up having n equal 360 degrees minus 7x plus 10 degrees. Solving further, we have 360 degrees plus 10 degrees. Therefore, n equal 370 degrees minus 7x. We input our value for x into the equation where x equal 30. We have n equal 370 degrees minus 7 bracket open 30 bracket close. Therefore, n equal 370 minus 210 and n equal 160 degrees as our answer. Thank you.